Hi, I'm so excited that you take this course. My name is Peter Gunardi. I am the instructor. I have done project coding for several years, and one of the problems that I encountered was keeping track of the different files and different versions within the project. I used the old traditional way where I do a save as and save the file with a slight different name. Like I put in the date and a message within the file name to remind me. That's proven to be a very ineffective way to do. Then I start to use Git version control. It has all the features that I need. However, Git is a command line. It has a pretty steep learning curve. Then I start to explore a different graphical user interface and found Git Github. That changed everything. It literally saved me hundreds of hours. And I believe it can benefit you as well. Enough about me. I want to know more about you. I believe studying is a two-way communication. In the forum below, please put in your name, where you come from, and if you will, put in your profession and the goal that you try to achieve in this course. And I'll do my best to share whatever resource I have available for you to achieve that goal. Alright? If you are ready, let's get started.